7 Ways to Become a Millionaire. So, you want to become a millionaire, do you? Well, let's see what we can do about that. First off, you've got to learn to dream, and I mean dream big. No use talking about a few thousand here and there, we've got to pull out all the stops. Let's use the law of attraction to get us there. We've all heard what you think about you attract, so think of yourself like a millionaire if you can. Believe that you can achieve it. So, let's get into it. Let's take a look at those 7 magic steps to get you to your first million. 1. Start by working smarter and harder than the competition. There's no use in working harder if your work isn't effective at producing income. You've also got to be willing to work harder than you already are, but that doesn't mean doing long painful days at the office. 2. Learn from your mistakes but don't dwell on them. When confronted with their own shortcomings, some people become self-critical. Do you know what that accomplishes? They get paralyzed and are unable to take the actions necessary to succeed. Millionaires don't give up despite a few careless errors. They continue to move in that direction. 3. Do something that you are passionate about. If you're an entrepreneur like me, make sure to work on things you're enthusiastic about. If you produce something that you use and adore, chances are that others would, too. Millionaires are aware that some of the best ideas come their passions. 4. Watch the pennies. Hard to imagine, right, but let the money work for itself. As billionaire Warren Buffett says, rule number 1, never lose money, and rule number 2, keep in mind rule number 1. The key is spend less than you're making. You'll be glad you did, because if one day you get an amazing idea, you've got money to back it up. 5. Invest your money wisely. It's true what they say, money begets money. There are so many ways to invest your money, but get advice before you do. Watch out for the get-rich schemes and scammers. Luckily, investing money isn't rocket science. And like most things, don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Take a long-term view. It can be discouraging, but hang in there. 6. Get away from negative people. As soon as you accept you can't do something, then guess what? Chances are you can't. Stop listening to others, because not everyone has the same dreams, goals, hopes and desires you do. Don't let others determine your future. You have one life to live, make it count. And finally, 7. Put aside a portion of your money for emergencies. We all saw what happened during the COVID pandemic. It's wise to put some money aside in case we need to change our lifestyle and make adjustments. Common sense money means you should have funds put aside, because as every entrepreneur knows, not every idea or business deal is a winner. Many experts advocate having 3 to 6 months worth of spending in your emergency funds. Bottom line, if you want to become a millionaire, work hard and yet smart, watch your pennies, invest wisely and do the things you love. It's that simple. Remember, it all starts with you. Stay positive, keep your dreams alive daily and set yourself goals. Think your millionaire status into existence and it will be so.